Hey guys, really quick video today going over how to access your tax documents through your Coinbase account. So we're going to launch the Coinbase app. And from the homepage of the Coinbase app, we want to open up the menu, which we can find here in the upper left-hand corner. From our menu right at the top, we want to find where it says Account and Settings and click on that. In your Account and Settings, you should be able to find somewhere in here where it says Taxes, so we're going to click on that next. And from the taxes page, it has useful information. Any forms that you have will show up in this area. You can view your documents. And it's also worth noting, if you continue to scroll down, that your taxable gain may be inaccurate. If Coinbase is missing out on cost basis info for the crypto that you've received from external wallets, Coinbase uses a $0 cost basis, but if you want to edit this, you can add the details right here. This can make a big difference in your taxes if they're assuming a $0 cost basis instead of just taxing you on the profit of that crypto. So to show you what this looks like, if you want to add in the details of your cost basis, you can click Add Details. And then from here, any crypto that you've received into your Coinbase account, if they're missing the information needed for your cost base, they'll show that crypto right in this area. So you can click on the particular transaction. Then you can enter in the information on when that crypto was acquired, as well as its cost basis. And after you do that, you can click Save. So I definitely recommend going through and doing that, especially if it's for larger amounts of crypto. It really can make quite a big difference on your final tax bill. And continuing to scroll down, it'll show your estimated taxable activity here down towards the bottom. So this is going to be the area where you can find your tax information in your Coinbase account. And again, we're going to find this in the menu under Account and Settings and then going over to your taxes.